Hey guys, what's going on? It is 2Pulse here. We are a new YouTube channel. We'll be giving you FIFA content as in wages, player reviews, pack openings, also giveaways. So if you could please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, that would be much appreciated. We're going to be starting off our YouTube channel with a pack opening. So on this video, we're going to be at the moment targeting about 5 likes, and we're getting into our first pack here. So unfortunately this pack opening wasn't very good, but we did indeed pack Ronaldo quite a few days ago, so that's why the coins have changed, but you can still see my club name and everything, so that's proof. So you'll be seeing that Ronaldo pack at the end of this video. I'm not sure if we had a live reaction for that, so you'll be seeing that later. So yeah, in this pack opening we didn't obviously get too much, but if you could just stay tuned or even just skip to the end if you want, we'll be having the Ronaldo pack. So yeah. I've also got my partner here for 2Pulse, Josh.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to our pack opening. Pretty sure the main man here's already said it. Ooh, Ter Stegen. It's decent.
So, Josh is a bit of a FIFA nerd. He's the skiller out of us two. I'm not much skills. I'm just pace. I'm pretty shit at this game, as you can see from my record. I'm not the best FIFA player you ever see. So if you could that like button, as I said before, that'd be much appreciated, and that subscribe button. We'll be doing a giveaway every 10 subscribers for now. First 10 subscribers we'll be doing a 10k giveaway, and pretty much more every 10 keeps going up. So 20k giveaway. You know how it is.
30.
So I hope you're enjoying the video so far. As I said, we will have the Ronaldo pack at the end. I don't know what to think when I got that, actually. It's a bit... didn't think it was real, thought I was getting pranked, but yeah. Here we got Ryan Golan, probably one of the best players in the pack opening. Actually, yeah. We are coming to the end of this pack opening. But just like your guys' thoughts on what we could do to improve this channel in the future, tips on what to do, what sort of content you guys want to see. Also, so Lun's face looks like a pedophile. But anyway, yeah, anyway, if we could get your pretty much input or feedback, that'd be much appreciated. And yeah, so.
And if you'd like to see us do our squad builder, put it in the comments below. Stuff like that. We really want to interact with you guys, which would be really good.
Yeah. So what you guys want to see, what sort of squad you want us to make, let us know pretty much in the comment sections. I'm sure we'll be doing it. So
we'll be doing wages and stuff like that. We announced that, but guys in the next video.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.